Hey everyone, I'm Angie and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be talking about some different ways you can earn money online. Now, these ways I'm going to mention to you today in the video are not just simple, easy ways where you can just make money in 2 seconds. These are ways that you can make money online from your home, but you have to put in a little bit of work. Obviously, nothing in life comes free, so in order to get something, you have to put in some work. Also, all of these things I'm going to show you today are things I have personally done, I've personally tried, and I have actually made money doing online. I will be providing screenshots throughout this video to show you guys that I actually have gotten money and gotten paid from these different apps and websites, just so you guys know that they are completely valid and 100% true. All of these ways that I mentioned in this video are completely free to do. You don't have to spend any money upfront to do them, because why would you have to spend money to make money? Also, I wanted to mention that this video is not sponsored at all. None of the websites or apps that I mentioned in this video are paying me to say this. These are my own personal opinions, my own personal review of these apps and websites. I can tell you if they're in this video, I'm talking about them, I like them, and they're trusted. I would never, ever, 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 ever recommend something or promote something that is totally false and not true. So without further ado, let's start making some money. So the first way to make money online is actually by reselling things you already own. I know if you guys are on YouTube a lot, which I'm sure you are because you're watching this video, you know that a lot of YouTubers have been promoting apps like Poshmark and Mercari. Now, when a YouTuber is promoting something, sometimes I'm a little skeptical in the beginning, but if it's a trusted YouTuber that has recommended things and done brand deals with different companies that have been trusted and been real, then I tend to believe them. So I actually downloaded Poshmark first and I started selling on there in November of 2017. It is now the beginning of January 2018. To date, I have earned $196 selling things on Poshmark. Now, this app is a wonderful app. It is free to download. I will leave a link to download it in the description below. I have made $196 just by reselling things that were sitting in my closet that I wasn't wearing. Now, Poshmark is an app where you sell fashion-based goods. You can sell other things like DVDs, books, stuff like that, but it doesn't really do well on the app because the app was basically created to resell fashion-related items, shoes, handbags, dresses, clothes, so stuff like that. Men and women can sell on there as well as kids items too. I highly recommend you guys download that app and try it out. It is fantastic. It is super easy to use. I will also link my closet down below if you guys want to see what I'm selling, but that's not the point of this video. Oh, also side note, I want to say that the month of December was a really bad month for Poshmark because a lot of people weren't buying things, which is expected because it's the holidays. People are buying gifts for other people, so they're not going to really be spending money on used items. So I made 0 sales in the month of December. So basically the $192 is money that I've earned selling through 1 month in November, and I had made 1 sale already this year in January. So, I mean, I made almost $200 in a month of just selling stuff online, which is fabulous. Now, Mercari is another app that I really like. I actually just recently got Mercari. I want to say I got it in the middle of December. I made about $10 on Mercari to date. It's not a lot, but it's still a little bit of money. Now, Mercari is a great website because you can sell things on there as well as clothes, and people on Mercari seem to be really interested in a lot of like household items, designers like Kate Spade or Ray Dunn, like bowls and cups and mugs. They also are really into Victoria's Secret and pink items and fashion, and just pretty much anything on that app goes. So if you're thinking of reselling physical things, I highly recommend you sell them on Mercari. And if you're thinking of selling more fashion related items, I would highly recommend you putting them on Poshmark. I will also leave a link to download Mercari in the description below, as well as a code from me to you. I believe that code from Macari gives you $10 off your first purchase if you would like. You don't have to use my codes at all, but feel free to use them if you would like. The next easy way that you can earn money online is by taking surveys. Now, this way is probably not the best way to make a lot of money, but you will make money. This one is the most time consuming, I want to say. So taking surveys online, that was a really great way to make some money. I believe you can be under the age of 18 to do this. So it's a really great way for those of you that are like 14, 15, 16, want to get a little bit of money. I have tried several different survey sites throughout the last 6 months, and I can say a lot of them are just a waste of time. A lot of them are a ripoff, and a lot of them aren't trusted. They're kind of sketchy. I actually found one that I do make money from, and I have made money from. I want to say that I signed up for this website in June of 2017. It actually just changed their name. They used to be known as MintVine, but now they go by Go Branded or Branded Surveys, something like that. But if you type in mintvine.com, it'll automatically redirect you to their new site. From June of 2017 till now, I actually kind of took a break in the month of December from taking surveys. It was just a busy time with the holidays. I have made $83.38 taking surveys. And I'm going to provide the screenshot for you guys right here of my PayPal of all the deposits from Branded Research Inc. That is the company that pays me from the MintVine / now Go Branded Surveys website. This is the company that pays me. It goes right into my PayPal account, and I can obviously take it from my PayPal account and then do whatever with it. Like I said before, taking surveys online is not the easiest way to make money, but I just actually recently figured out with this website called Go Branded Survey that if you actually use your code, which I will have for you guys in the description below, my code, if you actually use your code and you give it to your friends and your friends sign up, you get 15% of everything your friends earn. So basically, let's say your friend goes on and your friend makes like $12 in a month taking surveys. You're gonna get 15% of that $12 for every friend that takes surveys. I didn't realize this. Had I known this, I would have definitely been recommending it to my sisters and all my friends to start doing it so that we can all start making money when each other makes money, so we can make a little bit more doing surveys. I actually haven't experimented with that, but I will put my code down below. Feel free, again, no pressure. If you guys want to use it, please use it. If not, that's okay too. But I'll leave my code down below so you guys can enter it in when you sign up to see what happens. I've actually never referred a friend before, so if one of you guys signs up and is my referred friend, I'll see what happens. I have no clue. And you know, I doubt like 1 million people are gonna sign up. This next way to make money, I guess it's actually 2 different ways, and it's one of them is super duper obvious. You can start hosting Google Ads. Now, when I say start hosting Google Ads, you're probably like, hosting Google Ads on what? You have to have a website or a blog in place or a YouTube channel in order to host Google Ads. So obviously one way to make money online is through making YouTube videos. Now, this used to be easier to do years ago, before the adpocalypse and all that happened. You could make a little more money on YouTube. But now, I mean, you still can. It's not a lot, especially if you're a very small creator like me, who doesn't get a lot of views, who doesn't have a lot of subscribers, but I still do make a little bit of money on my YouTube videos. The only negative is that you can't cash your money out from Google YouTube until you make $100. However, I will be providing a screenshot with you guys here today. I think I've made like $42. I could be wrong. I think that's what it's at now. Now this money is actually money that I made from my videos years and years ago. As you guys know, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I made videos all the way back on this channel that date all the way back to 2011. I was, you know, back then I made videos and I had my videos monetized, and I made money on those videos all these years, and I just reactivated this channel in May or June of 2017. Just so you guys know, this money that I have here is money that was like kind of just sitting in there, and I think I had like $30 sitting in there from all those years of people just watching my videos and having them be monetized. And then I made about like $12 or $13 now since. So like I said, it's not a lot of money, but it is a way to make money online, especially if you're consistent and you stay dedicated to it. I have no doubt in my mind that you can't make any money doing so. Now, another way to host Google Ads would be to have your own website or a blog. I actually have my own blog, and I know, again, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that I have a blog. I actually do not have any ads on my blog as of yet, but I will be putting them on there in the next month or so. The only reason why I don't have Google Ads on my website now is because I'm leery to put ads on my site, because I think that a website covered in ads looks cluttered. It also kind of appears to be greedy, because whenever you go to a website and they have ads on there, you know, for an Amazon product you were looking for, or for, you know, a new bag of chips or something, those websites that have those ads that are being shown to you are making money. So it's like YouTube. YouTube makes money off of advertisers hosting ads on their site, and YouTube gives their creators, like me and other people out there, a little percentage of the ad revenue that the advertisers are paying YouTube. It's pretty much the same. The only benefit you have when you post ads on a website that you own yourself is that you make all the money from the advertisers. Basically, I think Google might take a percentage, but Google just takes a small percentage and then you get the rest. Whereas with YouTube, Google takes a percentage YouTube takes a percentage, and then you get a percentage. So you will make a little bit more money if you start a blog or a website. I don't recommend you go out there and you make a YouTube channel or start a blog if it's something that you really don't want to do. If you are just interested in making some extra money, please follow the first two things that I mentioned. I hope that this video helped you guys, and I hope that those of you that clicked on it and watched it got something useful out of it. I wish you guys the best in earning a little bit of a side income off the internet. You know, the internet is amazing. You can do so many things on here, and I really wish you guys luck with making a little bit of extra money. If you have any questions, as always, please leave a comment below and let me know. I will answer them for you. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.